Who is Abu Al-Fida? The world owes a lot to Kurdish scientists, especially Kurds, who shed light on Kurdish history and culture, and also contributed significantly to science and the world civilization. If you look at the contribution of the Kurds to civilization, Neolithic Revolution has been created by the Kurds. Wheel has been invented by the Kurds. The first wheat has been produced by the Kurds. Kurds have provided many contributions to the world. What could be more natural than the fact that the settled Kurdish tribes who had been engaged in agriculture and livestock in their homeland Zagros since at least 8,000 years from the known ages of history had invented some things together with the Neolithic Revolution. It should not be forgotten that no matter what people who lived on the same land for thousands of years and engaged in agriculture, in livestock, is unthinkable that it will not contribute to world civilization. Ali Shariatis talked about the Kurds. History gives good news of the tribes who migrated, but it does not give the same news about those who stayed in their places. Greek civilization is founded by the Kurds who emigrated. This civilization began when the Kurds went to Greece. One of our Kurdish scientists who contributed to world civilization is Abu Al-Fida Ismail. He was a Kurdish historian, geographer, and local governor of the Syrian town of Hama, and also a prince of the Ayyub dynasty. Abu al-Fida was born in Damascus to the Emir of Hama II, the place where Malik al-Afdal, brother of Mansur Mahmud and father of Abu al-Fida, fled invasion of the Mongols. His father was one of the famous commanders of the time. Abu al-Fida is also a grandson of Najmuddin Ayyub, the father of Saladin. He had a good education. He spent his childhood with the Quran and some science. But early on, from the age of 12, he often participated in military expeditions, especially against the Crusaders. Abu al-Fida became famous for writing about the cases he lived and faced. His most well-known work in the field of history is Mutahassarul Tarikh al-Bashar. In this work, the first prophet and the first man started with Adam, the events that took place until. The work was translated into Western languages and printed in Istanbul and Egypt. One of his important works is a geography work called Takvimul Buldan. He describes the seas, mountains, rivers, and the lakes of the earth. This book, which charts the major cities of the world along with the various geographical considerations, was introduced by Reno and the Slain. Also, the French translation was published. The crater Abu al-Fida on the moon is named after him. In addition, Abu al-Fida has a book on medicine called Kunash. For many years, Abu al-Fida managed the places where he was commander in peace and glory, devoting himself to the task given by the government and also to the scientific work to which he owed his fame. Abu al-Fida was a generous protector of literary people and scholars in his time. He died in Hama. His son Afdal Muhammad came to the Emirate of Hama, who was also recommended by the Emir of Damascus, Tankes. For more information, follow us on Twitter and Instagram, and subscribe our channel on YouTube.